this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to open this package in front of you. Do you ever know what to do with your extra drills? Yes, it's great to have in case you're missing some, but you know, we have so many. As people who have stashes and lots of diamond paintings, and I'm working on a diamond painting right now, and I know that this particular company I'm working with gives 20 to 30% overage, and I just, what am I going to do? And so this package hopefully is the beginning of the answer. I purchased this off of crystalcanvas.usa. It's on their website. They're full drills. You have to go in a couple pages, and I'm super excited. So I'm going to open this up, and this is a black and white coloring page turned into a wonderful diamond painting. Yes. All right, so first things first, it is poured glue. So I'm going to turn this and wrap it the other way. You never want to do what I'm doing on a double-sided adhesive because you will ruin your tape, your adhesive. So this particular one is the Robin Mead Daisies. And what they've done is the color list is 1 and 2, but you are going to create your own color page. You're going to organize it. You're going to figure out how do you want to do this. And this is a beautiful sunflower or daisy, another daisy, and then, this could be green background, or you pick it out. This is a leaf, and you can do different variations, ombre effect, you name it. So in a future video before Christmas, I plan on starting to design and see if I can color my diamond painting on my own with some of my leftover drills. I will need to organize and make sure I have enough of each color. I don't want to pick a favorite color and only have 2 or 3 drills. So I'm very excited. This is rounds, but I also think you could do it square, which we're going to investigate together because it appears to have enough room to potentially do a square. So we'll figure this out. Super excited. crystalcanvas.usa. Go check it out. Only $10. You don't get any drills or any tools. It is free shipping, but for $10 you get this piece of canvas, and she's got 4 options right now. You have a bird with a flower. You've got this daisy. You have a just regular flowers, or she has like waves, like a sun with some waves. And this one was my favorite. Can't wait to start it. I hope she gets some more, and we'll check it out. So grab your extra drills, grab your creativity, and come along with me in a future video. I can't wait to get started. So be blessed. Have a great night. Bye-bye.